Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing in and verifying your business details. This unlocks billing and campaign creation. Next, make sure your landing page loads fast and uses a single, clear CTA. Conversions depend on it. Upload at least one 1200x627 image and a headline that tests intent. Once done, choose an initial campaign objective and set a conservative daily budget so you can gather data without overspending. Then click Create Campaign to move forward. Now you build the core campaign. Assemble 3 to 5 headlines, 2 image variations, and 1 concise description. These allow fast A/B testing. Configure placements by enabling native discovery and content recommendation, but exclude low-quality inventory to protect conversion rate. Then refine audience targeting, combine interest segments with custom intent keywords, and a remarketing list to recapture users. Finally, split by device to see mobile versus desktop performance. Continue if you're getting sick. You should launch and watch the first 72 hours closely. Look at CTR, CPC, conversion rate, and bounce rate. Make quick moves. Pause underperforming creatives, raise bids on winners, and scale budget in measured 20% steps to avoid volatility. Also, rotate fresh headlines to combat creative fatigue. Keep landing pages synced with ad intent. If conversions are missing, check the Taboola pixel is firing, confirm the conversion window, and validate landing page tracking. This single check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.